Today's content is group and its application. Suppose that G is one set. It is consisting some elements like A, B, C, D and so on. And star is what? One binary operation. Meaning of binary operation समझते हो? If you are operating one operation between two elements and it gives what? A new output. For example, in the case of natural numbers, all of you know, first natural number is 1, right? It starts from 1, 2, 3 and up to infinity. And in the simple mathematics, in the arithmetic maths, you know that 4 basic operations are there. First is plus, minus, multiplication and division. If you are considering this plus as a binary operation and taking somewhat two natural numbers, for example 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 is what? 11, and 11 is a new output, that is a natural number only. Another operation is what? Minus. As we operate minus in between these two, 4 minus 7 becomes what? Minus 3, and minus 3 is not a natural number, right? It means this minus sign, no doubt, is a binary operation. But this binary operation does not follow closure property. By basic concept of that closure property, for every two elements of this set G, if product means output, when we operate that binary operation in between every two elements, new output must be the element of the same set G. When we operate plus operation between two natural numbers, that new number always belongs in the set of natural numbers, while minus operation doesn't give what? A natural number every time. Conversely, you can say, for example, 7 minus 4 is what? 3, and it belongs what? In set of natural number. But 4 minus 7, that's why this binary operation doesn't follow closure property. Algebraic structure is said to be a groupoid if it follows closure property. Algebraic structure G star is said to be groupoid if it follows closure property. And meaning of closure property is, for every AB belongs in G, A star B must belong in G. What we say, in the case of number system, natural number, set of integers, real number and set of complex numbers. See, 4 basic operations are there: plus, minus, multiplication and division operation. And plus is a groupoid because sum of every two natural number is natural number. Product of two natural number is, but and minus cannot be groupoid because difference of two natural number is not necessarily a natural number. In the case of that integer, sum of two integers is integer. Difference of two integers is integer. As you know that 4 and 7 both are what? Integer. 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3, and this minus 3 is also one integer. It belongs in the set of integers. It means I minus is a groupoid, while n minus is not a groupoid. Second, I dot, n dot. Product of two natural number always be a natural number. Product of two integers always be integer. Product of two real number always be real number. Product of two complex number is always complex number. If it becomes purely real number is the part of complex number. As all of you know, 2 is a natural number, but 2 is the element of set of complex number also, because 2 can be written as 2 plus. If product of two complex number becomes, by the way, purely real, that is also the part of complex number. But division operation, 2 and 3 are the natural numbers, but 2 by 3 does not belong in natural number. Does not belong in natural number. 2 by 3 does not belong in integer also. 2 by 3 does not belong in integer also. It shows that neither an division nor I division are groupoid. It is to be a groupoid for every two element of the set, new output must belongs in the same set, and it is not true in the case of division operation. Now we see, sir, what set of real numbers. 2 and 3 both are what? Real number. 2 by 3 is real number, no doubt, but it should be true for every two real number. ये हर किसी दो रियल नंबर के लिए ट्रू होना चाहिए. And one more real number, you know that 0. 2 and 0 belongs in a real number set. 0 by 2 is 0 and it belongs in real number, while 2 by 0 does not belong in real number because it is not defined. 2 by 0 is not defined, so it is not a real number. It is not a real number. Since it is not a real number, that's why because of the 0, with respect to division operation, a real number set doesn't form groupoid. System is to be a groupoid, it must follow closure property. For every two element of the set, new output A star B must belongs in G. If it is not, system is not a groupoid. If system is not a groupoid, cannot be semigroup, cannot be monoid, cannot be a group, and cannot be abelian. It means essential requirement is to be an abelian group, system must be groupoid, it must follow closure property. By this way, for example, you know that n plus, n dot, I plus, I minus, I dot, r plus, r minus, r dot, and because of this 0 with respect to division operation, it is not a groupoid. That's why we eliminate 0 from the set. R minus singleton 0 with respect to division operation. C plus, C means set of complex numbers, C minus, C dot, C minus 0, and division operation. These are the examples of groupoid. And groupoid becomes semigroup if it follows associative property. What is that associative property? Operation can be operated on these elements in any order. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Means star operation can be operated on these elements in any order. For example, plus operation. Plus operation, 7 plus alpha is equal to identity, and this identity element is 0. Therefore, this alpha is equal to minus 7. It means inverse of the 7 is minus 7 with respect to plus operation. Same thing you can say, this into alpha is equal to identity. with respect to multiplication identity element is 1. Therefore this alpha is equal to 1 by 7. With respect to plus, inverse of this 7 is what? Minus 7. With respect to multiplication, inverse of this 7 is what? 1 by 7. Right? It means inverse basically depends on operation. अगर आप ऑपरेशन चेंज करोगे तो इनवर्स चेंज हो जाएगा. ये लाइन सबको समझा. राइट है. अब सवाल उठता है कि कोई सिस्टम हमारा ग्रुप कब होगा? इफ इनवर्स ऑफ एवरी एलिमेंट इज अवेलेबल प्रेजेंट इन योर दैट गिवन सेट. एग्जांपल लेते हैं. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मोनाइड एंड डॉट. एंड डॉट में सर्वाट ए ग्रुप और नॉट? नो. व्हाई इट इज नॉट? पहला एलिमेंट 1 है. 1 का इनवर्स विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1 only. It is present in your set of natural number. But inverse of 2 with respect to multiplication is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is not a natural number. 1 by 2 is, therefore, this is not an example of group. ये ग्रुप नहीं होगा. ये ग्रुप नहीं होगा. फिर चलते हैं कहाँ? I plus. I plus में क्या आएगा? Set of integers. And 7 is what? One integer. With respect to plus, inverse of 7 is minus 7. Inverse of 7 is minus 7. And minus 7 is integer. Minus 7 is integer. And by this way, inverse of every element is present in set of integers. एक दूसरा एग्जांपल मैं पूछता हूं तुम लोगों से. आप लोग मुझे बताओ 0 इज द इंटीजर. 0 इंटीजर है तो 0 का इनवर्स क्या होगा? 0 itself. 0 plus alpha is equal to identity. Identity is what? 0. And by this way alpha is 0 and it shows that inverse of 0 is 0 itself, and therefore I plus is one algebraic structure, and this algebraic structure is what? One example of group. Next I dot हो सकता है? नहीं. वही 7. इधर देखो 7 is what? Integer, but its inverse is, but 1 by 7 is not an integer. ये integer नहीं है. So inverses do not exist in the case of set of integers with respect to multiplication. So I dot is not an example of group. मैं एक और पार्ट पर चलता हूं. R minus singleton 0. R minus singleton 0. R minus singleton 0 का मतलब समझते हो? अगर सिर्फ सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स अगर आप लेते हो तो आपको इस बात का पता है कि हर किसी एलिमेंट का तो आपको इनवर्स मिल सकता है. 7 का इनवर्स 1 by 7. √3 का इनवर्स 1 by √3. √3 by 2 का इनवर्स 2 by √3 विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू मल्टीप्लीकेशन. लेकिन इनवर्स ऑफ 0 इज नॉट डिफाइंड. 1 by 0 is not defined. So if 0 is present in that set of real number, 0 is present in set of real number, right? 0 is present in set of real number, it cannot be a group. As you are eliminating this singleton 0, eliminating this 0 element from the set of real number, it forms a group. It forms a group. सब बच्चों ने इस लाइन को समझ लिया. मैं कहता हूं एक एग्जांपल बड़ा स्पेसिफिक मैंने लिया है, और वो कौन सा है? R plus dot. R plus dot. थोड़ी सी बातें इसके ऊपर सुनिए. R plus dot का मतलब क्या होगा? R plus means set of positive real numbers. Set of positive real numbers. सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स में कौन कौन आएंगे भाई? आपको पता है? All the collection of what? All x such that x is what? Greater or equal to? Greater than 0. Greater than 0. So smallest positive real number can you say? No, we can't say that because 0.0000 हम लोग बोल तो सकते हैं लेकिन कभी 1 नहीं बोल सकते, राइट है? स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर वी can't say. लेकिन फर्स्ट नेचुरल नंबर यू नो व्हाट इज दैट? 1, राइट है? एंड स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज 1. स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज 1. सब लोग समझ रहे हैं? लेकिन स्मॉलेस्ट पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर वी कांट से. क्यों? तुम जानते हो कि एवरी 2 पॉइंट्स कंटेंट्स इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स, और वो बोलना जरा डिफिकल्ट होगा अपने लिए. आगे देखते हैं. सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स is the collection of all real numbers which is what greater than 0. आप ध्यान से समझना, क्या ये फॉलो करता होगा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. नहीं समझा? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2 पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. ये लाइन सबको समझ में आई? दूसरे नंबर पर देखो, associativity. Product of 3 positive real numbers can be taken in any order. Product of 3 real numbers can be taken in any order. आगे चलते हैं. Inverses, identity element exists. You know that identity with respect to multiplication is 1 and 1 is what? Positive real number. यहाँ पर रियल नंबर से काम नहीं होगा. हमको रियल नंबर कैसा चाहिए? पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर, एंड 1 इज पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर. नेक्स्ट इज इनवर्सेस एग्जिस्ट. हर किसी एलिमेंट का इनवर्स क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर ही होगा. जैसे 7 का इनवर्स 1/7, दैट इज ए पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर. 0.01 उसका इनवर्स क्या होगा? 1/0.01. अरे राइट है, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. मैंने बोला √3, 1/√3, दैट इज ए पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर. बाय दिस वे इनवर्सेस ऑफ एवरी एलिमेंट एग्जिस्ट इन द सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर, एंड यू कैन से ओवरऑल R प्लस विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज ए ग्रुप. एक लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी और है, और वो हमने क्या लिखा है? कम्यूटेटिविटी. If system follows that commutative property for every element A, B belongs in your G, if A star B is equal to B star A, operation is commutative. And it happens in the case of plus and multiplication. A plus B always be equal to B plus A, and A into B is equal to B into A, and you can say all these examples of group are the examples of abelian group also. लेकिन ये बात हर जगह के लिए ट्रू नहीं होगी कि हर कोई ग्रुप हमेशा क्या होगा? अबेलियन होगा. हो भी सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है. अरे राइट है, ये हम लोगों का एक बेसिक डिस्कशन था. राइट है, मैं अभी पर इस बात को बंद करता हूं और तुम लोगों को अब मैं इंपॉर्टेंट सवालों की तरफ ले चलूंगा. राइट है.